Am I enough for me? Am I too much for you? How to forgive myself, everything that he put me through. I had to learn the hard way. I'm taking my
calling. Oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small. Then look in your eyes, know you want me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Montina Nicole, and on this channel I do vlogs, all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned. So y'all, I am all dressed up. I'm actually going to date night tonight with my boo. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So I did my makeup, I did my hair, and I put on my clothes. So I'm just waiting because I got ready a little bit early. Our reservation, we're going to this restaurant called Macero in Plano. If y'all familiar with the DFW area, it's in Plano, like Legacy West, I believe. It's either Shops of Legacy or Legacy West. They both right in the same area. If y'all see me looking, I'm looking in the mirror. But we're going there, so I'm excited. I already got dressed and stuff, did my makeup. I'm just waiting because I didn't want nobody to be rushing me. Yeah, so I just wanted to come on and introduce the vlog. Today is Friday, and I don't know what I'm doing this weekend. I really don't know, but we'll find something to do, and I'm gonna bring y'all right along with me. So I turned on my light. I hope it's not too bright. Okay, that's adjusting it. But I didn't show y'all what fragrance I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use this Carolina Herrera because it just says date night, you know? So just... Y'all, every time I spray, y'all, every time I spray a fragrance, it makes me sneeze. But I never really wear this one. I never hear people talk about it either. I'm gonna sit y'all down for a second. So I never hear people talk about it. So I wonder if it's one of the ones people still like. Y'all, and I wanted to wear some cute shoes, but it's raining cats and dogs outside, so I'm just put on some booties and call it a day. But I'm gonna still take a picture. So I put on silver accessories, so I have on a ring. Oh, I want to put on a bracelet, but the sleeves do this cute little thing right here to the shirt, and I have it on with some like faux leather pants. So yeah, cute. I dropped my ring. I dropped it. So yeah, but so, oh, and I used the lip plumper. I used the I think it's Too Faced lip injection. I think it works. I didn't use that much though, because I used the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate too, which has like some plumping kind of things in it. But I think my makeup came out really good. Like I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh, that's good, girl. Y'all, I love blush. Blush is so like, you're that girl. Oh, and this wig, it's a what lace, sensational what lace collection in Zelina, I believe, and I bought it in a 1, and this will be a whole week since I've had it on, and it still looks really good. So if y'all interested in like I don't know if my lace look good. No, it's getting crusty. My lace starting to get crusty a little bit. Don't be looking at that. But yeah, so I've been wearing it for like a week now, and yeah. I think as I look in this camera, I'm like, is everything okay? Like my lashes, my eyebrows and stuff. Yeah, but anyway, so that's just me looking all nice and stuff. It's 6:47, so our reservation is for 8 o'clock. I think I mentioned that. So probably just gonna chill out, watch some HGTV until then. So, all right. Hey y'all, good morning. Excuse the way I'm looking. I'm about to go to the gym. Um, yeah, I didn't get the vlog last night. Oh, my voice. Hold on. Okay, I think that's better. Maybe not. I didn't get the vlog last night because I just wanted to be in the moment. But this morning I'm about to go to the gym, and then I think I'm going to meet up with some of my church friends, and we're going to get breakfast. I don't know what's going on with my voice, but it's bothering me. And then um, um, after the gym, I'm come home and shower, then get dressed, and then we probably run some errands. It's still raining cats and dogs outside. And I'm gonna show y'all what the rain did to my umbrella yesterday, cause it's wrong. It know it's wrong for doing that. I'm gonna show y'all. It is hilarious the way my umbrella looks. Okay, y'all. So I'm in the car. I put this on. Like it made it better. I'm in a car. Look at this umbrella, y'all. I don't even know if y'all can really just see it. Don't mind all that stuff down there. But look at that is just crazy. That wind tore my umbrella up. Like, it ain't even an umbrella no more. That's just ridiculous. It was so bad yesterday. I was like, why? I'm trying to keep cool. Oh, look, now that I see it, y'all know I get distracted. I was trying to keep cool, and then my umbrella I just heard like, I was like, oh, you done for. And I'm upset because I got it from Target. And if you know anything about Target umbrellas, they're expensive. I think I need to clean out my glasses. But look at my nails, y'all. They're press-ons. I got them very festive, huh? I got them from, I think, Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of them. Yeah, so let's go to the gym. I decided that my apartment gym is too many people there, but then I have a membership at LA Fitness, and I was like, let's turn these off. I was like, let's just go to LA Fitness so we can cancel that membership.
Magnificent.
Hey y'all, so I've been doing a horrible job with vlogging today. I'm currently at Target. I don't know what I was about to say, but I am currently at Target, and I am picking up pumpkins because my friend and her son is coming over later, and we're gonna do some pumpkin carving. So I actually went to H&M, so I'll show y'all what I got from H&M probably later. I started getting tired, and I think it's mostly because I wasn't drinking any water, so I'm a little bit probably dehydrated. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm waiting on them to bring out the pumpkins so I can go home, and then I'll show y'all all the stuff that I got for the pumpkin carving, and we'll go from there. I just wanted to update y'all. Oh, in the back seat. Yeah. Oh, he was just bringing me my pumpkins. So, yeah, now I'm about to head back home.
Magnificent.
in the elevator. I'm currently on my way to church, and I couldn't figure out what I wanted to wear to church this morning. I just did not want to get dressed. So I have on the oversized t-shirt that says, blessed girl with some leggings and some kicks. Yeah, that's what today is gonna be. So we're on our way to church.
That there's growth, right? Sometimes conflict is because we're silly and we don't do the right thing. But anytime there's change in your life, anytime there's change that is brought to us, because there's some things in life we can't control, anytime there's change that we make ourselves, that will always cause conflict. For some of you, you've been on this personal growth and development journey. You want to grow as a person. Here's the thing that nobody told me whenever I said, hey, I really want to grow and develop in who God's called me to be. That like a lot of my friends don't want that for themselves. So our lives end up going like this because this person doesn't want to change and I want to change. So for me to make my decision to change and for them to make their decision to not change, that puts us like not close to each other as time goes on. I really thought in my 20s that all of my friends in my 20s are gonna be my lifelong friends. I got like 2 of them left. Maybe I'm like the most horrible person on the planet and I can't hold down a friendship, which could be true. Thank you, but it could be true. Or the decisions I've made have created conflict. And that doesn't make me better than somebody else, but I've chosen growth where a lot of other people haven't. Because what most people do when they come to conflict is they're like, it's just not worth it. It's not worth the pain, it's not worth the conflict, it's not worth, this is like non-confrontational passive people. This is their number one like life sentence that they say in their life, you know, it's just not worth it.
So I am currently back at home, but we have Family Fun Fest tonight at church. So I'm about to literally walk out the door to go do that. I went to church this morning. It was amazing. It was good. I put a clip of a little bit of church. Let's go back this way where the light is. A little bit of church, and yeah, it was good. So I just put on a little bit of nothing but lip gloss and mascara, and yeah, and I'm wearing my glasses. So yeah, so we're about to go to Family Fun Fest, have some fun with some of my friends. Oh y'all, I used the lip plumper. I'm gonna let y'all know about it. I'm gonna put y'all on. And then I moved my hair to the side because I originally had wanted to do a side part, but it wasn't looking right. It was looking very much not right. So yeah, so we're about to go to Family Fun Fest, have some fun. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm taking y'all along with me, so let's go. Say hey, Letitia.
You gotta go anyway.
Say hey, Letitia.
Alex said he wants to be in it.
What else?
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you like and subscribe.
That's like that.
Wait, Alex, tell him.
I won't be left out. Alright y'all, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit the push. I don't know how to do this. Put the camera in my face. So wait, what?
You get used to it.
Hey, thank you for the shout out, bro. I appreciate it.
Mama Mia.
Hey, what's this for your
Look
vlog?
at the baby, yeah.
Look
Look at the baby. She about to start. She about to crank it up.
Right foot, let's
Look at Brandon.
left foot, let's go. Cha-cha, there you go.
Get it, Angela. So I am home from work. Today is Monday. It is Halloween, and I'm about to make homemade pizzas. Well, just one pizza. The pizza dough. Now I have my pan, and I just chopped up some I have my pan. I don't think I showed that. And I just chopped up some onions and some bell peppers. And then I'm gonna put some spinach on it. I'm gonna put some spinach on it. And I need to go to the refrigerator. Got the cheese, a Stallion 6 cheese blend. And I have turkey pepperoni. So I'm about to put all of it together. Then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when I finish. I will show y'all how I'm making this, but I want to show y'all how I make something else. So give me. I forgot the pizza sauce. This is what I got so far. I just spread out the dough and I put the sauce on it, and I'm about to put the cheese on it and start adding the other toppings, and that looks yummy. Y'all see that? That don't look yummy. Let's just wait. I don't know what I'm talking about. Hold on. Let's just wait. Y'all, here go the pizza. I thought it was gonna be bigger than I wanted it to, and I done put all these veggies on it. So I hope it comes out. It's gonna taste good. I know it's gonna taste good, but I hope it. I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm about to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then I'll show it to y'all when I take it out. Took it out the oven. Look how good that looks. Besides the onions. Well, no, it still looks good. I think it looks really good. Oh man. Oh no. Oh. That was a good pull. Cheesy. I need a better pizza cutter. I'm not even going. I can't do it. Wait, let me see. Yeah. Whatever. It's not delivery. It's Montina. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I don't feel like putting the light on the camera. I am about to make this. So I got this from Target. It's called Reese's Bars and it's a cookie kit and they're like little bats. I'm about to make it and y'all about to watch me make it. I hope it turns out good. But I'm gonna sit y'all up here somewhere. I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Yeah, I'm gonna sit y'all there. So hey y'all, so I am back. I cooked some dinner. I made some cookies. Let me tell y'all, those cookies are not as easy as they look. But I did it. And then now I'm just about to watch a movie and just eat some popcorn, eat some cookies, and I'm probably going to watch, I don't know what movie yet. But I just wanted to end the vlog off right here. And I just want to say thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And I'm out. Peace.